Imagine, if you will, a future where the crack of gunfire and the roar of tanks are not manned by humans, but instead by cold, calculated machines. Could the battlefield of the 2040s be dominated not by soldiers of flesh and blood, but by autonomous robots? It's a chilling concept, but one that is becoming increasingly plausible as technology continues to advance at a rapid pace. These robots, these potential warriors of the future, would possess capabilities far beyond those of their human counterparts. Equipped with advanced machine vision, they could aim with a level of precision that would make even the most skilled sharpshooter seem amateurish in comparison. No longer would the outcome of a battle hinge on the jittery nerves or wavering focus of a human soldier. Instead, the future of warfare could lie in the steady, unerring gaze of a robot sensor. But it's not just about precision. These robots could also have superior situational awareness, thanks to their powerful sensors, GPS, and thermal vision. While the human eye is limited by darkness and obstructions, a robot's vision could see through the night as if it were day, detect heat signatures hidden behind walls, and track enemy movements from miles away. It's a level of awareness that could shift the balance of power on the battlefield. And then there's the matter of endurance. A human soldier needs rest, needs food, needs to tend to wounds. A robot, however, could potentially remain operational for weeks or even months at a time without the need for rest or maintenance. It's a sobering thought, a tireless, unfeeling machine that could relentlessly pursue its objectives without the need for sleep or sustenance. What does this mean for the future of warfare? It's difficult to say with certainty, but one thing is clear. The potential dominance of robots on the battlefield could revolutionize war as we know it. The precision of their aim, the superiority of their awareness, and their unyielding endurance could make them formidable opponents. No human could hope to compete using conventional means. The battlefield could become a chessboard, with each move calculated and executed with machine-like efficiency. But this is not just a future of cold, unfeeling machines. It's a future where the value of human life could be preserved, where soldiers no longer need to risk their lives on the front lines. It's a future that, while fraught with its own set of challenges and ethical dilemmas, holds the promise of a safer world. In the end, the question isn't whether robots could dominate the battlefield, but rather how we, as a society, choose to use this technology. Will we use it to safeguard human lives, or will we allow it to spiral out of control? The choice, as always, is ours.